Honor X50 GT comes with a big battery and 16GB RAM.
Packing a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, it promises to be one of the best performing in its price range. The phone is largely similar to the Honor X50 Pro, but packs more RAM and storage and a cool racing stripe on the back. The Pro and GT share the 6.78 inches AMOLED display of 1220p resolution and up to 120Hz refresh rate. The X50 GT has 3 new memory combos. 16GB RAM is coupled with either 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB storage. The huge camera island on the back has only one usable camera with a 108-megapixel sensor. The secondary shooter is a 2-megapixels depth sensor, and there is a dual LED flash. The selfie camera has an 8-megapixel sensor. The X50 GT features a vapor chamber and up to 5100 SQM cooling area. It packs a sizable 5800 mAh battery that supports 35W wired charging. The phone runs Android 13 with a heavily customized Magic OS 7.2 on top. Other features include an under-display fingerprint scanner, NFC, and IP53 water and dust resistance. There is no 3.5mm audio jack. Honor X50 GT is already up for sale in China in black or silver colors. Prices start from 1,999 Chinese yuan, $280 per €255, and can go as high as 2,799 Chinese yuan, $390 per €350, depending on storage.
Stay tuned for more updates.